Filling out a timesheet in Jira involves logging time spent on issues to track work hours and manage time reporting. Here's how to fill a timesheet in Jira. Log into Jira. Access your Jira account with appropriate permissions to log time. Navigate to your issues. Go to the project where you have been working. Locate the specific issues you want to log time against by using the search or navigating through the project's issue list. Open an issue. Click on the issue key or summary to open its detailed view. Log work. Find the time tracking section within the issue details. Click on the log work button or link, typically located in the issues toolbar or under the more drop-down menu. Enter time details. In the log work dialog, fill out the required fields. Time spent, date started, work description. Update remaining time. Adjust the remaining estimate if applicable to reflect any changes in time estimates due to the logged work. Save. Click Save or Log to record the time entry. The logged work will be reflected in the issue's time tracking section. Review. Review your entries for accuracy. Check the work log section in the issue to verify that your time has been logged correctly.